How to plant bottle palem at home for ornamental plants for beginners. Bottle palm or pumice gargoulet has a scientific name Hydroponics Plant, is one type of palm plants that usually planted as an ornamental plant home yard. This palm bottle plant originated from Mauritius, precisely in Round Island. Scientific classification of bottle palem. Kingdom, Platy. Division, Magoliophyta. Class, Liliopsida. Order, Aricales. Family, Aricaceae. Genus, Hydroponics. Species, Hydroponics. Characteristic feature of this palm bottle that has a palm-like shape in general, but the bottom of the stem bubble like a bottle. This palm tree bottle can grow big or in bonsai, so no wonder if this plant is in great demand to be used as an ornamental plant inside and outside the room like planting. Here's how to plant bottle palem at home for beginning ornamental plants more. 1. How to bottle palm bottle. Seeds of bottled palms can be obtained through the seeds produced by the bottle palm trees. The trick is, select and grab a bottle of palm seed that is really old and then dried by drying in the sun until it is completely dry. After that, save for several weeks. Furthermore, submit seedlings to the media seedlings made from a mixture of loose soil and manure or compost with a ratio of 1:1. Perform regular watering treatment. After 3 months old seeds palm bottle can be transferred to plant the actual planting. If you do not want to bother, you can buy bottle of palm bottle at the flower shop. 2. How to plant bottle palem. First, prepare the same planting media as the medium used for seedling. Seedling palm bottle is a mixture of loose soil and manure or compost with a ratio of 1:1. Create a planting hole with a depth of about 15 to 20 centimeters. When ready, do the planting immediately. Plant the seeds of palm bottle on the planting hole that has been made, after it back and dump dense around the plant area and do watering. 3. How to care for bottle palem. Because these bottled palm plants include plants that are resistant to drought, so watering can be done when the plants are drought. Do also weeding on the weeds that grow around the plant if it is lush. Do the drifting of dried palm leaves. In order for this bottle of palm plants more fertile, then provide nutrients in the form of fertilizer. This fertilization can be done on a regular basis every month by using manure or compost that is sown diagonal base of the tree. So we are discussing about how to plant bottle palem at home for ornamental plants for beginners. Hopefully the videos we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.